The Rotax 912 is a normally aspirated, air and water-cooled, horizontally opposed four-cylinder, four-stroke, gear reduction drive engine commonly used on certified aircraft, light sport aircraft, ultralight aircraft and unmanned aerial vehicles. Rotax produced its 50,000th 912 series engine in 2014. Development: the original 80 HP 912 engine has a capacity of 1,211 cc and a compression ratio of 9.1 to 1. The later 912S is enlarged to 1,352 cubic centimeters and has a compression ratio of 10.4 to 1, yielding 100 HP. The 912LA and F are used in certified aircraft, such as the Diamond DA-20, which is quite popular in Europe. The 100 HP versions are used in many light sport aircraft, such as the ICP Savannah, the flight-designed CTSW, the Tecnam P2002 Sierra and the Titan T51 Mustang. The 80 HP versions are sufficient to power the new generation of efficient motor gliders, such as the Pipistrel Sinus and the Urban Air Lambada. It is also fitted to some light twins, such as the Tecnam P2006T. The engine differs from conventional aircraft engines in that it has air-cooled cylinders with liquid-cooled heads and uses a 2.431 gearbox to reduce the engine's relative high 5,800 rpm shaft speed to a more conventional 2,400 rpm for the propeller. Lubrication is dry sump, and fueling is via dual CV carburetors or fully redundant electronic fuel injection. Early 912 series engines have a shorter time between overhaul than traditional engines, but are more fuel efficient than similarly sized engines, for example, Continental 0200. Effective December 14, 2009, 912 engines have had their recommended time between overhauls raised from 1,200 hours to 1,500 hours, or 1,500 hours to 2,000 hours, depending on serial number. In addition to the lower fuel consumption, they are certified to run on automotive fuel, further reducing running costs, especially in areas where leaded AVGAS is not readily available. The engines are popular in Europe and in United States light sport category aircraft due to high power-to-weight ratio, low fuel costs and relatively quiet operation. On March 8, 2012, the company displayed its 912S variant, a 100 HP version with direct fuel injection and an electronic engine management unit. The version weighs 63 kg, which is 6 kg more than the standard 912S. The non-certified 912S targets the light sport and experimental market, and 912 ISC will be certified. Production started in March 2012 and the engine has a 2,000-hour recommended time between overhaul to start. On April 1, 2014, the company announced its new 912S Sport upgrade with greater power and torque and decreased fuel consumption. Variants: the engine is available in the following versions: 912LA, certified to JAR 22, 80 HP, 912F, certified to FAR 33, 80 HP, 912A is uncertified, 100 HP with direct fuel injection and an electronic engine management unit, 912 ISC, certified, 100 HP with direct fuel injection and an electronic engine management unit, 912 is Sport, uncertified, aluminum airbox, longer intake runners and ECO mode when operated below 97% power setting. 912S, certified to FAR 33, 100 HP, 912 UL, uncertified, 80 HP, 912 ULS, uncertified, 100 HP, 912 ULSFR, uncertified French authority specification. 100 HP, the in the designation stands for, shaft with flange for fixed pitch propeller, PCD. 100 m, shaft with flange for fixed pitch propeller, PCD. 75 m, PCD. 80 m and PCD. 4 inches, shaft with flange for constant speed propeller PCD. 75 m, PCD. 80 m, PCD. 4 inches and drive for hydraulic governor for constant speed propeller, shaft with flange for fixed speed propeller PCD. 75 mm, PCD. 80 mm, PCD. 4 inches also can be fitted with an adapter, drive and governor for a constant speed propeller. Limitations. The manufacturer acknowledges the design limitations of this engine, warning pilots. Never fly the aircraft equipped with this engine at locations, airspeeds, altitudes, or other circumstances from which a successful no-power landing cannot be made, after sudden engine stoppage. This engine is not suitable for acrobatics. This engine shall not be used on rotorcrafts with an in-flight driven rotor. It should be clearly understood that the choice, selection and use of this particular engine on any aircraft is at the sole discretion and responsibility of the aircraft manufacturer, assembler and owner user. Due to the varying designs, equipment and types of aircraft, BRP Powertrain grants no warranty or representation on the suitability of its engine Euro unregistered trademark S use on any particular aircraft. Further, BRP Powertrain grants no warranty or representation of this engine Euro unregistered trademark S suitability with any other part, components or system which may be selected by the aircraft manufacturer, assembler or user for aircraft application. Non-compliance can result in serious injuries or death. Unless correctly equipped to provide enough electrical power for night VFR, the ROTAX 912 ULTRA is restricted to day VFR only. Certain areas, altitudes and conditions present greater risk than others. The engine may require humidity or dust sound preventative equipment, or additional maintenance may be required. You should be aware that any engine may seize or stall at any time. This could lead to a crash landing and possible severe injury or death. For this reason, we recommend strict compliance with the maintenance and operation and any additional information which may be given to you by your dealer. Applications. Specifications, general characteristics, type, 4-cylinder, 4-stroke liquid/air-cooled engine with opposed cylinders. Dry sump force lubrication with separate oil tank, automatic adjustment by hydraulic valve tappet, dual CD carburetors, mechanical diaphragm pump, electronic dual ignition, electric starter, integrated reduction gear 1AA 2.273 or 1AA 2.43, bore, 79.5 mm, stroke, 61 mm, displacement, 1,211.2 cm 3, length, 561 mm, width, 576 mm, dry weight, 60 kg with electric starter, carburetors, fuel pump, air filters and oil system, components, valve train, OHV, hydraulic lifters, pushrods, rocker arms, fuel type, unleaded 87-octane AKI/90-octane RON or higher. Leaded fuel and AVGAS 100LL can be used but are not recommended. Oil system, dry sump with trichoid pump, camshaft-driven, cooling system, liquid-cooled cylinder heads, air-cooled cylinders, performance, power output, 59.6 kW at 5,800 rpm, specific power, 48.71 kilowatts per liter, compression ratio, 9:1, fuel consumption, 15.0 liters per hour at 5,000 rpm, specific fuel consumption, 285 g/kWh, at 5,500 rpm, power-to-weight ratio, 980 watts per kilogram. See also, comparable engines, Arrow 1000D motor Love 26. Herth 3701, Herth F30, HKS 700E, Jabiru 2200, KFM 112M, Pegasus PAL 95, Reeve Master 2300, Sauer S 2200 UL, Sauer S 2100 ULT, Sauer S 2400 UL, Power UL 260i, related lists, list of aircraft engines, references. External links, the official Rotax aircraft engines website, FAA Type Certificate Data Sheet E00051EN, 912 UL 80 horsepower engine datasheet, 912 ULS 100 horsepower engine datasheet, 914 UL 115 horsepower turbocharged engine datasheet.